Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. We are back at our garage where we put in the fireplace last time. We are here to work on my quad finally. We had actually started working on the quad a little while ago.
Long time ago.
I didn't film anything that day because we wanted to get some work done. But yeah, as of right now, we have all the plastics off, which makes the quad already look like it's been through World War III. Yeah, pretty much all we did to it as of right now is plastics are off. Carburetor, we took the carburetor off, and yeah, that's it. First thing we want to do is check if the oil filter is leaking, and then we're gonna go from there. We hope it's that seal that's leaking, but we don't know. So yeah, we're gonna check that out first. I'm gonna let Toby do the work because he's the mechanic, and yeah, stay tuned. We just had a little look at the oil filters. Don't seem like they are the ones leaking. So what we're gonna do, I think, is take the engine out and take a closer look at it. And if we can't figure it out, then we are going to probably just give the engine to the Polaris dealership here in Brandon and have them look at it. But we want to try to get it done ourselves first because it's a lot cheaper, and yeah, it'd be a lot more fun too. Well, we got the back tires off.
Rear end.
Rear end.
Rear end.
We got the rear end off. And now it kind of looks like it's been through World War IV as well. Because, yeah, she's completely apart now. Are we there yet?
No.
No? Still a ways to go?
Couple more hours.
Oh, man.
Couple more sleeps. Hopefully not.
Toby, you made a mess.
That's all part of the process.
Got all the coolant hoses disconnected. So the engine's pretty much freestanding at this point. And then we're gonna yank her out. Toby has sent me on a mission. I have to go get something from his car. Let's see if I can find it. His beautiful Audi. Ta-da! Oh, this is what he needs. Hand cleaner towels. Oh, I see. He's acting like he wants to work clean now. I guess so. Here.
When you get dirty.
I already said you're acting like you want to work clean.
That's the goal. Every time you want to stay clean.
Yeah.
But somehow your hands always get dirty.
Not only with engines, also with drywall and mudding, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, something else is attached. What is it anyway?
Okay, that's a hydraulic clutch. That's the clutch.
Oh.
Hydraulic clutch.
Do you have snips? We can just snip it right here.
Do you have $250 for a new line?
Just another day at work.
Now you have to get your hands dirty.
I don't want to. I still have to hold the camera.
That's okay. We have these special wipes here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. This is why you don't go mudding with a sports quad.
A little throwback to that. I did take this thing mudding. Check out this footage. It was so much fun.
Check your steering bar, I might be bent. This is what happens when you get a sports quad and you ask the boys if he should go mudding.
Engine is finally out. Took a couple tries, but we got it.
One try.
Two.
2 attempts, 1 try.
And we're gonna go clean up his workbench, and then we're gonna put the engine on there, and then we can look at it and see what's wrong. Hopefully find the problem. Cause I want to go riding. It's quadding time. Summer's here, man.
If he can pick it up, I can pick it up.
Yeah, that's what they all say. All right, this is the working station. Let's figure out its problem. Took the starter off, and when the engine was running, it was leaking oil out of here and then down here. And the way it looks is that this O-ring needs to be changed, and hopefully that's the problem.
I mean, we could have done that without taking the whole engine out. It would have been like a 2-second job. But isn't it fun to watch our videos? Doing this stuff?
We wanted to make sure, I guess. It's like was kind of our point of taking the engine out.
Well, we want to check the clutch yet and do a whole bunch of stuff on here. So
make it nice, make it newer, or at least, you know, make sure everything is working correctly.
And it always works better to work at this height.
Yeah.
Than in the crouching position.
All right. I guess we order a new O-ring.
Princess Auto.
Okay, so as you can see, we took the clutch off and the casing. Now we can't really do anything anymore. We have to go to Brandon to go get some stuff, buy some things to keep going to keep going with the engine. And yeah, that's basically it. We had beautiful weather. Obviously it's not that beautiful anymore. It's snowing again. There's a blizzard. As you guys know, I have sheep, and I want to share something with you guys. Look at this. I got little lambs. That's the mom right there. This is the dad. And she finally had some little lambs. I'm super excited for my first lambs, and let the farm grow. And then of course I still got my other sheep